Start by closing down your eyes. Take some deep, calm, conscious breaths. Relax your body, calming down your nervous system. Now bring your awareness to your spiritual intention. Peace, joy, prosperity, freedom, creativity, whatever it might be. Bring your spiritual intention into your awareness. Feel the elevated emotion. Consciously rest your focus on that good feeling quality that comes with it. So rest in that feeling. Calm, gentle breaths as you focus on this frequency. Now, as you maintain this elevated emotion, place your focus in the center. Sense the space from the earth through the tail to the crown. Sensing the space of your center. Attuning your center with the frequency of your intention. So sensing your center as you rest in this elevated emotion. Now imagine a small ball of energy, like a marble, shining down at the base of the spine. See it, sense it, feel it. Now as you softly draw up at the base, breathe in and rise this light up through to the crown. Once you reach the crown, breathe out and gently release. Now in your own time and in your own rhythm, breathing in to rise the intention through the center. Breathing out to release and relax. Rising and releasing with the breath. Clearing the pathway of energy in your center and elevating its frequency. Now, rest in this sense of risen expansion and expand into the whole space the body occupies, sensing the back, chest and belly, sensing the neck and the head, the hips, shoulders, arms, legs, hands and feet. Sense the whole space that the body occupies. Calm, gentle breaths as you deepen the sensing of the energy body. Now, from the crown of the head, start to sink down, like a gentle shower of energy washing through the skull, brain, eyes, face, cheeks, jaw, tongue and neck. Sinking down through the shoulders, arms. Sinking through the chest, back and belly, forearms and hands, sinking, releasing, and dissolving through the whole upper body. Relaxing, releasing. Continue to sink down through the hips, thighs, knees, calves, shins and feet. Sinking through the entire space. As you continue to sink and release through the system, sink now emotionally. Let go of all forms of upset, fears, doubt, blame, complaint, resentment, guilt, shame, all forms of resistance or force in your system. Sink, release, let go. As you continue to sink energetically and emotionally, sink now mentally. Surrender all programs, limitations, positionalities, habits of thinking. Any thought frequencies with any force or resistance in them. Sink, let go, surrender. Removing, releasing all forms of tension from your system. Now, see the light in your center. See, sense and feel its frequency. And now slowly spread the light from the center to fill the whole space the body occupies. The back, belly and chest, the shoulders, hips, neck and head, the arms, legs, hands and feet. See, sense and feel light radiating in the entire space. With each breath you take, see this body of light becoming brighter and brighter. Now slowly draw this line in your center forward till it reaches a point in front of you. See, sense and feel this plane of energy running from your center to the center in front of you. Consciously directing the flow of power through this line, the power line. Take calm, gentle breaths as you rest in the state, centered in your intention, sensing the space, sinking, surrender, seeing the flow through the power line. And bring the state now into our training today and use it throughout your daily life, however you wish. Open the eyes when you're ready.